Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking one of the most delicious dishes in my family. So this is chicken gnocchi. So I'm just going to cut my chicken into small bite-sized pieces. Alright guys, for this recipe I'm using chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast if you like, but I like chicken thighs because they don't dry out very quickly. And now I'm going to season my chicken. So I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, black pepper, paprika, just a teaspoon of each spice, and all-purpose seasoning. I'm also gonna add onion powder, just season that, and then I'm going to mix this through. So this is quite a quick dinner, guys. I'm not going to marinate this for long. I'm just because this is for dinner and I don't have time. But if you have got time, you can marinate for an hour to two. But I'm just going to cook straight away. Alright, this is nice and marinated. So guys, heat up a large pan and just add a little bit of oil, just like that, and make sure it's nice and hot. And now I'm going to add my chicken and then make sure I brown the chicken my desired color. I like it nice and golden brown. So I'm just going to add this chicken in there. Just spread the chicken around so that the chicken cook evenly. Alright, just spread this around. Alright, I'm going to cook my chicken for 5 to 8 minutes. So in a boiling water, I'm going to cook my gnocchi. I'm going to add salt in the boiling water and then add 500 grams of gnocchi and cook until it floats on top of the water. That's 500 grams I'm using here. Alright, that's my gnocchi there cooking. So guys, when it's cooked, it will start to float on top of the water. That's when you know it's cooked. And then I'm going to add my sauce that I'm cooking. And now I'm just make sure I just fry my chicken. Adding a little bit of salt for taste. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to add some garlic and fry the garlic for 1 minute or so. While this is cooking, I'm going to add some sun-dried tomatoes. Sun-dried tomatoes. So just cook this for a few minutes. Adding Italian herbs, about a tablespoon of dried Italian herbs. I'm just cooking this for a few minutes. Alright, just fry this. Now I'm going to add chicken stock, so about a cup of chicken stock, and then bring this to boil. Bring this to boil. Guys, I'm adding thickened cream, about 300 mils of thickened cream. 300 mils of thickened cream, and then just cook my sauce. So guys, I'm going to add the gnocchi, the cooked gnocchi. Just add the cooked gnocchi in there. Then I'm just gonna mix this through and cook in this sauce. Cook for a few minutes, guys. Alright guys, now I'm adding my chicken back in. Add the chicken back in there. And then mix this through with the gnocchi and the chicken. Guys, I'll let this simmer for a minute, and then I'm going to add my spinach You can taste, to make sure the pepper and the salt is good. This is tasting good, guys, very good. Now let me add spinach. You can add a handful of spinach. For me, I'm just adding about 60 grams or 3 handfuls of spinach. So the spinach just need about 2 minutes of cooking, guys. Just 2 minutes, not much. There you have it, guys. Chicken gnocchi with spinach. Very delicious dinner, very rich. And if you can add Parmesan cheese, if you've got some Parmesan cheese. But guys, this is a very quick and delicious dinner you can make at home. Look at this delicious dinner. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment and let me know what you think about this dinner today.